Hi everyone. So I wanted to jump on here today because sitting here today going through like clinical trials and trying to see like what Penelope would qualify for, what she doesn't. One of the frustrating parts of anyone that's had a child that has a disease with no cure is trying to find out like what clinical trial will work for them. Some of these clinical trials, like you can get in at any age. A lot of them, you have to be 12 and above. Penelope's right under the cusp of 12. She won't be 12 till December, but I've wrote these places. I'm like, listen, I'll sign a waiver, because there's certain medications right now that are kind of slowing the progress of it down. And unfortunately, I think she's on a peak of declining, which Stargardt's patients go through. They can peak and their vision can start to, decline very rapidly, and then they'll plateau. We were hoping after she got diagnosed that she was maybe on a plateau, and we had, maybe a couple months, couple years to play around with it. But she's seeing more dark spots, which is definitely concerning for us, and it makes me want to move faster and faster. So I just got done, sending out her stuff to all these clinical trials. So fingers crossed. I'm going down to see a doctor in Miami that he's working on stem cell therapy, which would be I think the best thing for this, because it can help these patients with Stargardt's fix the problem, not just slow it down and recover some of their sites. But I also wanted to tell you guys, like, you think sometimes you go through life and there's pockets where you're like, oh, I forget that, like, this is going on, because you want to just kind of live normal. And then, like, yesterday, Penelope did a class for her peers, and it was like, it's low vision month, and it just says there's more than one way to read. And if you can see, there's Braille here. So she's learning Braille right now, which is great. They say to learn that before they get to 7th grade, because their brain's, still continuing to pick up all that information. But yeah, she was a little assistant teacher yesterday. She got in front of her class to help with a presentation. And I think that's amazing. She's really like taking this and kind of running with it, and she's going to do a lot of good. But, I